everything else, COVID-19 is having an impact on parental custody rights. The courts are being asked to rule on new issues caused for the coronavirus. WGN's Eric Rung is joining us with a look at how that may affect visitation schedules. Eric.
Well, good evening to the both of you. Since that first stay-at-home order was issued back in March by Governor Pritzker, Cook County alone has heard a number of COVID-19 custody cases.
It wasn't all that long ago Lucas Solik could spend a day like this with his 3-year-old daughter Dahlia, or at least every other day.
We have a 50-50 child custody.
When she's not with her dad, she's with her mother. It was an arrangement that was working out just fine until March 16th when Dahlia had the sniffles. He dropped her off at her mom's that morning. When he went to pick her up that afternoon, her mother refused and handed Lucas a note from a nurse practitioner that she must stay inside and not leave home. He hasn't spent any real time with his daughter since.
It's really hard,
He and his attorney have filed motions to restore parental rights. A doctor who said Dahlia is healthy also said she should stay inside with her mother, who was laid off due to the COVID crisis. A judge agreed. Lucas, who works construction, is still on the job. He's considered an essential worker and also a threat to spread COVID-19. He can FaceTime with his daughter, which is tough, he says, given the attention span of a 3-year-old. He can also see her, but from 6 feet away.
I was able to do it, but, I don't want to do that because Dahlia, she's a child. She want to go to me,
Lucas's attorney is Janice Berman.
There was circumstance that the child was ill or there was some medical reason, but in this case, I see no medical reason. I haven't been told of any.
Berman also pointed us to the order the chief domestic relations judge issued the day after the governor's first stay-at-home order. It essentially says parenting time should remain the same unless there is an emergency. It did ask parents to use common sense, however, to keep children safe.
We had all felt that, okay, things are going to remain status quo. And then as the panic rises and rises, there's no uniformity anymore. It's kind of a case-by-case basis, and often it's even a judge-by-judge basis.
The courts in Cook County have handled about 100 cases. Another of Berman's clients contacted her last week after learning the governor's new order eased some restrictions.
One of her big concerns is that what if dad wants to take the children to church? She's not comfortable with the children being in gatherings.
As for Lucas's case,
when you heard that Pritzker was going to extend the order, did that just break your heart?
Oh, yeah.
Unless Berman can find something new to argue in the governor's extension, the last ruling stands, meaning Lucas will have to wait until it expires before he can have another day like this with his daughter.
Now, we purposely did not use the mother's last name. However, I did try to contact her attorney. However, my phone calls were not returned today. Also tried to get in touch with the attorney advocating on the child's behalf. I did speak with her briefly. She said she was going to call me back, but then never did. We're live tonight. I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.